Hello my friends, how are we doing? It is such a beautiful day today. I decided to go outside and be a nerd. I honestly have to admit that I almost forgot about the beauty of being outside. Nothing beats being in person with Mother Earth. It is breathtaking. I know that no one really wants to hear about the seriousness of Earth callings, but I feel like I really need to send this message out. Imagine our body for a moment, the blood flow, the veins, just like Earth, the streams and the rivers circulate in the ocean. It is all connected to produce life on Earth. Hypothetically, if your blood can't run through your body, blood clots and various of other issues happens within the body, causing to shut down. The immune system will do what it can to fight for survival of the body until compromised. Just like Earth, if her blood flow, water system cannot function, Earth will shut down. But before complete shutdown, Earth will react to the issues that causes these blood clots, blockage of the system. To look at it closely, isn't that what COVID is? A reaction to bad filtering of the air that we breathe, as we have polluted the system. Earth is shutting us down with this illness, not to kill us, but to send the message that we need to create change to our choices of usage. Because in truth, Earth is our reflection. If Earth isn't healthy, our existence isn't either. We need to make a change now. Because what would be left for the future if we don't? Because if we can't live together with Earth, how would we ever achieve living on another planet with less resources than Earth has? Because there is no place like Earth, at least not within our lifetime of distance. The rivers and streams all leads to the ocean. And the beings that lives in these water flow has a purpose to filter and clean the blood flow of Earth. We need to restore the balance. Taking you all on an adventure. We are out for the first time since lockdown, and finally I could go further than 15 to 10 kilometers in my radius, and here we are. I feel like I wanted to bring everyone out to nature and have you all remember that there is all of this, behind the screens. There is all of this, and I hope you remember and get out there and really take in the fresh air, the sound of nature, the view of nature, because without Earth, we wouldn't be here. And I hope that this video showed that, because honestly, that's why it's all worth it to be here, because of all this possibility. There is just so much to see and so much to do, so much more than behind the screen, everybody. So, yeah. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and